Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. The button is just right down below. Thank you so much for those of you who return to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And today I am feeling okay. Nothing like the last video where the day was not that quite fun. Today I'm fine, and I just wanted to film for you guys to show you another spring makeup look. I don't really have an idea in mind, just a color and a palette I want to use because I didn't use it for a very long time. The palette that I want to use today is the NYX Professional Makeup Perfect Filter in the color Marine Layer. So I want to be more on the blue side. It's not a palette that I have like a fond memory of, if that makes sense. It didn't blow my mind with the pigmentation and everything, but I have it, so I want to use it and to see what I can do today with this palette. So I will begin with the eyes because I don't remember if there is any fallout or anything, and as I am using a blue, I think it's better to begin with the eyes. I did my eyebrows, I put some Plouise base, and we're gonna begin with this color, which is a matte cream, not really white, but it's perfect because I want to use it just under the eyebrows to help blend the blue. So we are not gonna see the color on the eyes, but I don't care because that's not the use I want for it. Then I will take this marine blue that I will put on the crease. I am beginning in the outer corner to have the more intensity and then with what is left on the brush I am blending in the inner corner as well. So as you can see, the pigmentation is not really out of this world. We'll make it work. To intensify a little bit, I am cheating because I am going to use this palette from BH Cosmetics Summer in Saint-Tropez to use the color Bay right here, which is a marine as well, but a little bit deeper, I would say. And I am putting that on the crease. So how are you guys doing? Do you feel okay? Are you quarantine as well, like me? I am gonna leave actually the house for the first time in weeks. This Friday, we are Wednesday today, to go to the gynecologist, I don't know, something like that, I guess, to do a checkup for the baby, to see if everything is okay with them. I'm gonna use this color, which is a blue but has a little bit shimmer, and I'm gonna use this color actually to blend under the eyebrows. I don't usually go for shimmery color like above the crease. I mean, I do use shimmer just like right under the eyebrows to catch the light, but to blend everything I don't usually do. But there is not a lot of matte in this palette, and I wanted a more lighter blue to blend, and well, it's working, you know. We are testing things today. Then I will go with this color, which is a deep ocean blue. And on a packing brush, I'm gonna put it all over the lid, doing the shape of a cut crease, but not really cutting the crease. Now I'm gonna use this shimmery color, which is like a very light pink, and I will create like a halo, you know, bringing some light in the center of the lid. Okay, I'm gonna stop here at the moment for the eyes. We're gonna do the face together, but I'm gonna try to go quickly so it's not that boring for you, but I will use other product that I used in my last video. First, I'm gonna use the Mercier Foundation Primer Radiance. I have a sample right here. I hope the light is okay. It is like practically 7 p.m. When I'm filming this, but I didn't have time before. So, like I said, with this lockdown and the kids being always here, I don't really have time for myself, so to find some time to film is kind of precious. And I'm sorry, I know I'm kind of late into commenting and watching your video guys as well. I'm doing my best to keep up. It's just really because of the time that I'm missing. I like this primer. We can really see a glow, a subtle glow, but it's pretty, and the texture, it's really agreeable. Did you test it? If you did, tell me down below what you think of it, but I like it so far. For foundation, Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation infused with Glow Nectar Brightening Complex. Everything that I love. I know there are a lot of mixed reviews on this foundation. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Concealer Photo Focus. To set, I will use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in the color Vanilla. I just set my eyes because I want to use again the MUA Luxe Illuminating Highlighter Stick. For bronzer, I'm gonna go with the Makeup Geek Sunkissed bronzer. I will go over the bronzer with the palette Nude Spectrum from Zoeva. And I want to go over the highlight cream with the Makeup Geek Psychedelic. Okay, I will go back now with the BH Palette Cosmetic. Thank you, sweetie. And I'm gonna use this color Pompelon, which is like a blue sky. I want to use now this color Beach Club. As I'm not satisfied with the color that we put like a sort of a halo on the lid, I'm gonna use the color After Love from the palette La Vie en Glow from L'Oréal. I tried to put some false eyelashes, but it just didn't work. I don't know why. Very annoying. I couldn't do it today. That's fine. Let's move on. For lips, I'm gonna use the Clinique Intense Blush Lip Liner. And for lipstick, I want to use something that I never used before. It's from Natasha Denona. It's the first time that I'm trying one of her lipstick. And it is a limited edition one, and I think it was only available in Europe, and she did it for the day of women rights. So I think it's really cool. And the color is Athena, I think. Athena. And it is the collection I Need a Nude. The packaging is stunning, and look at that. It is like a cool tone nude. And there is a little quote saying, integrating your intellect and intuition is your superpower. So cute. It is super creamy, it is matte. I love it. Love it. Okay, I finished the video. At the end I was really struggling because my daughters just keep entering and leaving, and my daughter, we are trying to teach her how to pee, not in Pampers, but it's quite difficult, so I had to change her. My husband is watching movies, so he's laughing. So I really apologize for the noise. I'm sure there are some noises. I really struggle to find a time to film. It's just, wow. I'm so sorry. I hope that it's fine with you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I hope that you liked the look. If you did like the video, share with a friend who loves makeup as well. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.